Politics. Whenever we hear this word politics, few words that come into our mind is black money, corruption, authoritarian government, not thinking about citizens, selfishness, transporting through illegal routes, etc. So why these bad words come into our minds whenever we think about politics? For that, we have to do post-mortem of politics. So politics was not the way that we see today. Politics was not like this, the hate that is being spread in the name of politics, the ideologies that are being spread by different political parties, not only in India but around the world. We can say that there has been more and more hate growing towards politics, and the citizens think that it is not about us anymore. So if we go back to the history from where it all started, so politics is a word which is taken from Greek word politikos, which means of the citizens. Earlier, this was meaning this meant that the politics was for the citizens in that group who are having different opinions. They are having clashes between them. So politics was the major so that they can talk among themselves and then do the right thing and choose the right path. And they were having the power. They were able to solve their own problems. They were having distinct opinions. So from that politics emerged. But slowly, as we see since the last 2 centuries, political parties have emerged. Different political parties have emerged, and different ideologies have emerged, which are taking the part of different sections of society. Like we can see Marxism, communism, and more other left winger, right winger, the political parties, which are dividing the citizens on the basis of their opinions, which is against the history from where it all started, which means that all that are having different opinions should talk with each other and come to a good conclusion which is good for both of them. Instead of that, nowadays politics is being devised on that only, that this group is for right wingers, this is for left wingers. So if this is the only meaning of politics, it is not for everyone now. Politics is not like that it was like before. We see that the politics is not about us anymore. Whenever we citizens think about politics, it is like that it doesn't belong to us. It is for those who want great power, great authority. They are going to politics. They are just going to politics to have someone to rule over, to have someone to power over, not for social service or to do something good for the citizens of the country. And for this is the reason why citizens have to reclaim the democracy, the government, the politics. And we have to remember the history, the idea from which the politics came. And we have to change that. And we can only do that. Instead of sitting at our homes and decide if they are doing good or not, we should stand up to them and ask them the true meaning of politics and change the meaning of politics by ourselves. It is better late than never. Thank you.